welcome to Draw with Bee. Today we are doing something amazing. We are doing Olaf. I'm so excited. Let's begin. I'm going to draw him standing up with one of his little arms in the air. So what we're going to begin with is the top of his head, and we're going to do a upside down U. So we're going to start here, and then we're going to bring it down just like that. Next, what we're going to do is this little bit here. So I'm going to bring up his little smile that comes across, and what we're going to do is bring this down just like that. Now, the beauty of drawing with pencil, and I really like drawing with pencil when I do more complicated drawings like this, is that you can go over it very gently and you can fix things up later. We're going to curve this bit in just like that. You can do little feather strokes, then bring it down just like that. Then this bit here, we're going to go all the way down. Amazing. Bring this little bit in, and then at the bottom here, what we're going to do is we're going to connect the two. Just like that. All right. Next, what we're going to do is up this bit here, this little curve here, we're going to do his smile. So we do another little line just in here that's curved, and then what we're going to do is bring it all the way down and connect it over here. Amazing. Great. Then we can do his amazing teeth. I just love Olaf's teeth. I think they're pretty cool. And we are going to bring it all the way to this part. Great. Next, we're going to bring this curve in just here, and we're going to leave it just like that. Next, what I'm going to do is this guy's little eyes. So I'm just going to do a line that curves just to here. And next, actually, we're going to do the carrot. Let's do the carrot nose. The carrot nose is really important because then you can put his eyes in next. So follow this all the way to the edge here, and then this bit's going to dip in and flick out. Fabulous. Then what we're going to have here is one eye here, and then the other eye is going to be over here. And we're going to make sure that these circles are very close together because Olaf's eyes are very close together. So you can keep going around the circles just like this until you get the right shape. So this one and this one needs to come in just a little bit closer. And then what I'm going to do is just adjust his eye just over here, because it didn't quite work out properly. And that's okay. So bring his carrot nose out. Great. Next, what I'm going to do is both of his pupils. So they are going to be, this one is going to be right in the middle here, and this one is going to be just over to the side a little bit. Then what I'm going to do, after I finish drawing this drawing in grey lead, I'll go over it with a marker. Then this part of his head just needs to come in just a little bit, because this eye sits close to the edge of his head. Next, what I'm going to do is this guy's eyebrows. So he has one here. Do a line like that. And then it curves down. And then the other one. Great. There's his head. He's looking pretty cute so far. Next, what I'm going to do are the lovely little sticks that he's got up here that are sprouting hair. So we're going to bring one up just like this, curve it just a little bit at the top, because they are sticks, so they are a bit wobbly. So you don't have to make them perfect sticks or perfectly straight. And this little bit that comes out like that. That's one. The second one is in the middle and it's quite long. So we're going to go just like that. And then wobbly is okay because it has to be wobbly. I think it's curving just a little bit too much, so I'm just going to straighten it up a little bit. There we go. Always have your eraser handy, because then you can get rid of the lines that you don't want along the way, and then it doesn't confuse you at the end when you go over it with your marker. Next, we've got the last little one here. So this bit is going to go a little bit wobbly up to the top. It's got a little sticky uppy bit there, and then goes out to the side. Amazing. So they're the sticks up the top. Next, we are going to draw the rest of his body. So we're going to curve a little curve just like that, this side. Then we're going to do one this side. And then we're going to join them up. Amazing. Next, the next one. Who doesn't like drawing a snowman? It's close to Christmas time. So wherever you are in the world, you could have snow at Christmas time. I don't have snow at Christmas time because we're in Australia, so it's quite hot. Join the two at the bottom here. There we go. Next, gotta have his little rock buttons. The rock buttons are pretty cute and they are a little bit wobbly, so they don't have to be perfect either. And then the last one. Beautiful. Next, we need to draw his feet. So what we're going to do is one here, curve it, do the middle bit here, and then the end bit. Join that one, and then join this one. Amazing. Next, we're going to do his arms. So we're going to do one here, and then we're going to do the other one up there. So the first stick arm we are going to do, it's going to come down. We're going to make a little bit wobbly too, so you can do that at the end. Use your feather strokes all the way down, and then curve it in, because this is going to be his little stick finger there. Then he's got another one. And then he's got another one. Go up, bring it up a little bit. Then he's got another one up here. Beautiful. Next, we're going to do his other arm up saying, hi, how you going? I'm Olaf. Bring out a little one here. Up, finger. And the other one out here. And then we bring it all the way down. Fantastic. He is looking truly amazing. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to colour him in and go over him with a marker to bring out all the finer details in him. So I'm going to fast forward this bit. Please pause it along the way if you do need more time to catch up or redo certain parts of your drawing, and I will see you back soon. I hope you've enjoyed colouring in Olaf. I've added some magic touches to him. I have put some beautiful glitter glue around his body. I have also gone over his outline with a black glitter pen, which is truly amazing. Then what I've done is I have gone over his eyes with this blue fine tip gel pen, and it's got a bit of glitter in it. So I've gone around the edges of his eyes and made him a little bit sparkly, because that's what snowmen are. I've hoped you have enjoyed today drawing Olaf. I sure have. It'll be just in time for some snowy weather from some parts of the world. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate you, and thank you for following me on my journey. I'll see you soon. Bye.